Court Uncut, what the people want.
23 CR 1024 is now called. And Mr. Joseph is present with his attorney, Mr. Kindler, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment and arraignment? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, Your Honor, we proceed, sir.
In 23 CR 1024, this is an indictment handed up on August 2nd of 2023. In summary, it states that on or about June 19th, 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed a second-degree felony of assault on a peace officer. Do you understand what you were charged with? Tell me this wasn't on a Juneteenth festival. This didn't happen at a Juneteenth festival, did
It
it?
was a traffic stop.
It was a traffic stop?
At your house.
He was at my house.
It was at your house?
Yes.
Oh, all
In
right.
the street, I know that.
This is a second-degree felony, sir, which means if convicted, you face no less than 2, no more than 20 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement has been reached between the parties where you would be pleading guilty and placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation. And this keeps your record clear here,
Yes, sir.
as long as you follow these terms and conditions, which can be up to 10 years in length. You do well, I can shorten it in a third, 3 1/3 years. $500 and other terms and conditions, which are normal and customary for this. If I follow this agreement, sir, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this charge, guilty or not guilty?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily, that is on your own free will and because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
I show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Did you understand it, discuss it with your attorney, or the contents true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence
Without objection.
without objection admitted. Among other things, the state you were mentally competent to enter your guilty plea, which is freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You were totally satisfied with the representations provided by your lawyer. All of this is true at state, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. Is a pre-sentence report waived here?
So waived.
I'm going to follow this agreement, if nothing further to add, and find, Mr. Joseph, today you were pleading guilty voluntarily. You were mentally competent to do so. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. There's sufficient evidence from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to support your guilty plea, to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to defer any finding of guilt so long as you follow these terms and conditions of probation. Among other things, there's going to be an anger management program that you'll have to complete. And that's always good to keep, helps people make decisions in times of stress and that are good ideas that keep you from going to court and getting charged with crimes that you regret later. And you must pay a fine of $500. Again, and this is for 10 years in length, but do well, it's shortened to 3 1/3. Please see the probation officer. And thank you and good luck.
Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss crazy courtroom moments like this one.